is doing well. Hope you had a great weekend. It is Holy Week this week. So before I get started, just wanted to say I hope you guys really take advantage of being at home with your families during Holy Week this week. Really try to spend some of your time in prayer and prepare yourselves for the Passion of Christ and for His death and absolutely for His resurrection. So looking forward to Easter. Hope you guys have a great week. Okay, let's go ahead and start lesson 91. Okay. All right. You've already done Power Up and you've already read through the lesson, so this really isn't anything new. It's multiplying 3-digit numbers by a single digit, and I will also teach you how to do the estimation that they do in the example when they are teaching the concept. So, Okay, just like multiplying a 2-digit number by a single digit, we're going to go ahead and take the number, let's do 250, okay? And then we're going to multiply that times 3, okay? So all we would do here is start from the right in the ones place. We multiply the 0 times the 3, we get 0. I know that's a crazy looking 3. And then we take the 3, we multiply it times the 5. We put in 5 times 3 is 15. We put the 5 down below. Put the 1 up top. 3 times 2 is 6. And then we add the 1, if you can remember, and we get 750. Okay? So again, it's just like multiplying 2-digit numbers, except we're adding a 3rd digit, and we just keep moving from the ones place to the tens place to the hundreds. And I'm pretty sure I've shown my class this. Mrs. Miller's probably done the same, but we can continue to add numbers here. We can have a 4-digit number, 5-digit number, and we would do the same thing, okay? Let's do one more. Okay, let's do a little bit of a bigger number, like 800. Let's go with 23 times 4. Okay, so we start in the ones place. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 goes down, the 1 goes up. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then 8 times 4 is 32. We can't bring the 3 over, the 3 comes down. And then we make sure that we add our comma. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 3,292. Okay? And this is one of the reasons I keep telling you guys it's important when you see a number, a problem, and you have, let's say, 210 times 8. Okay? I want you guys to put this into a vertical position to work it out. All right. That way, when you need to carry numbers over, that was not a very good example, but when you need to carry over numbers, you can. When you do it vertically like this, unfortunately, you're unable to. You will probably make more mistakes doing it that way, especially when you get a more complicated problem like the 823 times 4. Okay. So I want to see those double-digit multiplication numbers, 3-digit multiplication problems. You need to convert them and do them vertically, okay? Don't try to work them out horizontally. I'm seeing people doing that, and it's okay if it's as easy as, 600 times 3. I'm okay with that. I think you guys can do that one. But when you get numbers that aren't as easy to work with, I do want you guys to convert them into a vertical problem, okay? All right. Okay, one more thing I'm going to show you. I don't know if you've ever been to a store and they have a little challenge, like the person who gets the closest number to how many pennies are in a jar, that person will win a prize, okay? And you sit there and there's like thousands of pennies in that jar and you have no idea. So you just estimate, or you just give it your best guess. Well, there is a way to try and get a number that may be pretty close to it, okay? So that's kind of what they were doing in the new concept, all right? So let's say we have a container like this. The container should be kind of even all the way around, nothing that starts to really, squeeze in really tight, where the number of pennies that fit in this area here is not the same as down here, okay? So this is a pretty good container, okay? So I have 42 almonds. Let's say that's just how many almonds I have, okay? And I want to know how many it would take to actually fill this entire container up, all right? So what I do is I would put the almonds in here, and I would try to figure out how many times I would have to put 42 almonds to get up to here. So I say this is about 1, and then we go 2, then we go 3, and then we go 4. So I will need about 4 times as many almonds to fill this jar up. So I take my 42 and I multiply that times 4. Okay, so I'll work it out, 42 times 4. Okay, so your answer is about 168 almonds. That's how many almonds we can estimate will fit into the glass. Okay, all right, a little technical difficulty there, but I think we fixed that problem. All right, hopefully all this made sense to you again. I know you can do the multiplying 3-digit numbers, but you will come across some estimation problems like this, and so that's how you do those, and you can do those with 3-digit numbers as well as 2-digit numbers and so on. So, all right, have a great week. This is a very easy week. I think you've got like 1 lesson in all your classes, so it shouldn't be very hard to accomplish probably today, and you'll be done. Again, remember, spend this Holy Week enjoying your families and remembering all the wonderful things that God has done for us, and Jesus dying on the cross for us. And then enjoying your families on Easter Sunday. I wish I was with you guys this week to go through Holy Week. Try to do some of those activities that we had on the lesson plan. And y'all have a wonderful week. All right, bye. Miss you guys. Love you guys. Bye.